Hello kids, welcome back to the activity class. Children, today in activity class we will study about courtesy towards all. Yes, do you know what is the meaning of courtesy? No, courtesy means being polite and use what? Use polite words when you are talking to others. You should show respect to your elders, to your younger ones also. We should respect everyone and we should talk politely with everyone. So let's see few words that we should use in our day-to-day life. Okay, with your parents also, with your brothers, sisters, uncle, aunts, your neighbors, even with the people to whom you don't know. Okay, and many of you know those words. I have told you about those words. Any guesses? Yes, they are thank you, please, I'm sorry, excuse me, and there are other words also. Can you recollect? That is, you are welcome, and always you can ask to others to help them also. So, let's study about the words that we should use in our day-to-day life and that will make us polite in talking, okay? And that will show our courtesy towards everyone. So, what are the words that we should use in our day to day life and every day we should use? May I. You should always ask others that may I help you? What will you say? May I help you? What will you say? May I help you, grandmother? I will help you in walking. And in what other ways you can help them? You can help your parents by sharing the luggage when they are carrying it. If they have got too many luggage, you can take few luggage from them and can carry it till home, right? If you don't know anyone, then too you can help them. And how you will ask for the help? May I help you? What will you say? May I help you? Now see here, one aunt is standing here with her packet full of groceries, but the packet was overloaded and many things fallen down. So this girl asked aunt that may I help you? She said yes. So she started picking up things and she's trying to help auntie. So you also can do the same thing with your parents at home, outside. We should not make fun of such things. We should always offer help. We should always offer help. So, to offer help to others, what will you say? You will say, may I help you? Okay. Now see, the next word is what? Please. Next word is what? Please. If you want something, if you want something or if you want any help from others, what will you say? You will use the word please. You will use the word please. Okay? And whenever you receive any gift, whenever you receive any gift or you receive any help from someone else, you should say thank you. You should say thank you. And suppose if you are giving gift to someone else, suppose you are giving gift to your parents, okay, and your parents said thank you, beta. thank you so much for the lovely gift, then what will you say in response? You will say, you are welcome. You will say, you are welcome. What will you say? You are welcome. Once again, repeat after me. You are welcome. When anyone says thank you to you, you will say in response, you are welcome. Okay? And if you make a mistake, if you hurt somebody by mistake, suppose if you have done any other mistake like you dropped something, okay, you increased your parents' work by mistake, then what will you say? You should say, I am sorry. I am sorry. What will you say? I am sorry. What will you say? I am sorry. And if two people are talking together and you have to ask something in between, then what will you say? You will say, excuse me. You should say, excuse me. Okay? What should you say? Excuse me. Very good, children. So these are the words which we should use every day in our day-to-day life to be courteous. Okay? And we should be courteous towards everybody, whether that's a maid at your home, a person who is coming to clean your house, whether that's sweeper, the newspaper vendor, or vegetable vendors, anyone, you should all respect everybody. If you will respect others, you will get respect in return. So, children, remember, respect others. Okay? Always respect others, no matter whether they are elder to you or younger to you. And children, can you tell me what should we do when a teacher comes to your class? When you will come back to school and when teachers will come to your class, what will you do? You all should stand up and wish her. You all should stand up and wish her. Okay, so let's revise once again what all we should do to be courteous towards everybody. Okay, you should say please for whatever you want. It is a very powerful word. It is a very powerful word. So always use the word please whenever you want anything or you want any kind of help. Okay? Whenever you make a mistake, always say sorry, no matter whosoever it is, whether you know them or you don't know them. Suppose if you hit anybody by mistake, you should say sorry. If you step on someone else's foot, then too you should say sorry. So, for whatever mistake you are making, you should say sorry. Okay? Use the word excuse me. Use the word excuse me. Yes, children, whenever any two people or more people are conversing with each other and you have to interrupt in between and ask for anything, you should say, excuse me. Don't straight away walk in and start saying whatever you want to say. That's a very bad habit. Okay, children? Then, for whatever help you receive, or if you receive any gift on any occasion, or other than that, you should always say thank you. What you should say? Thank you. What you should say? Thank you. Very good. And in return, what response the other person will give? Or suppose if you have given a gift to someone else, so in response, what will you say? You will say, you are welcome. You will say, you are welcome. Very good. And when you are offering help to someone, then how will you ask them? How will you ask that you want to offer your help to others? Which word you will use? Use the word may I. Use the word may I. And what will you do if you are in a class and a teacher comes to your class? You will stand up and wish her. You will stand up and wish her. Hope, children, you all have understood how to be courteous, how to be polite. Okay, so keep using these words in your day to day life. Okay, children, bye then. Bye bye.